Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we bring delicious and easy recipes straight to your home. Today, we've got a fantastic dish for you, baked chicken drumsticks. These drumsticks are marinated with a flavorful blend of spices and then baked to perfection. Let's dive right in. First, let's make our marinade. In a mixing bowl, add Himalayan salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, thyme, your favorite chicken spices, olive oil, tomato sauce, dark soy sauce, and Greek yogurt. Give it all a good stir until everything is well combined. You'll find all the exact measurements in the description box below. Now, it's time to coat our chicken drumsticks with this delicious marinade. Make sure all the drumsticks are well covered. Look at that beautiful color. The marinade not only adds amazing flavor but also helps keep the chicken juicy and tender. Place the drumsticks in a pan, making sure they're in a single layer. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then pop these in for about 45 minutes. And there you have it, perfectly baked chicken drumsticks. The marinade has turned into a beautiful glaze, and the chicken is cooked to perfection. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more delicious recipes from Heaven's Kitchen. And if you try this recipe, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.